Saturday evening flight. Yeah.
The gunshots in the air.
It's not all. It's just a small portion of them. It's the ones that come out voluntarily, and they're doing a nice job, very nice job. I was enjoying them so much I forgot to record it, but I'm getting this part now. Yeah. Yep, they're doing a great job. There you go. Go ahead. There you go. Do something with all the food you eat. That one. Mr. Breeder Man.
How come they don't all come out?
Some of them, some of them, they're a little scared sometimes. They get stressed out easily. Plus, I got them on a new diet. And because I used to feed them in the winter, breakfast and dinner. Now I'm only doing dinner. I got them on the intermittent fasting diet. They're on the same diet that D and I are on.
Same diet they're on.
Yeah, here they come. So stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification buttons.